Hello, welcome to Geography 510, Geographic Software Design. This is the course that I'm teaching at the University of Tennessee, the Department of Geography and Sustainability in spring 2024 right now. And so today it will be the first day of class teaching the content of this course. And I will make all the videos available on my YouTube channel. So you're welcome to follow. And also all the lab assignment will also be available. And you can check out the course website. The link is also in the description below. So this course we are teaching Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So it's 3 lectures per week, 50 minutes per week. And you're welcome to check out the content. So essentially, in this course, we're going to cover how to develop open source Python package, how to maintain, how to add functionality, how to visualize geospatial data, and also how to create a website for the documentation, notebook, so they can make your work accessible and also reproducible, and also make it easier for other people to build on top of your work. So it's teaching all the tools that I'm using daily, and some examples you can check out Gmap or LeafMap. So what we are trying to cover this course is how to build a package like this from ground up. So if you're interested in learning how to build Python packages, this course is for you. And here's the syllabus. I won't have time to go through this in this video, but you're welcome to check it out. And it's the same thing that I'm teaching in person in class. So the video will be recorded in class and then also make available on YouTube. And here's the schedule. This week we're going to cover some of the practical tools we're going to use throughout this course. For example, GitHub, Visual Studio Code, Google Colab, and then we start creating a Python package using the name whatever you prefer. Then we slowly want to add functionality into the package every week. And then you want to have documentation. You want to have some functionality for dealing with geospatial data. And at the end, you're also going to publish the package on IPI and also contact us, so that anyone around the globe can install the packages that you create. And this can also be useful for you if you're doing research and then you have something, but you have all the Python modules that's everywhere. This might be an opportunity for you to synthesize and come up with a package that with all the functionality. And it can also help you think about how to make things easier for other people and how to make things more generalized rather than you have to do hard coding of the file path or the name or the variable name, something like that. So most things will be very modularized, and also it's a package that's easier to use in the cloud computing environment. And all the videos will be posted here. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I have taught this course twice before. It was in 2021, spring 2021. So this was during COVID. So it's fully online. And so you see the 38 videos. Also Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. I also taught like last year. That one was Tuesday, Thursday. So the number of videos only 25, but it'd be similar. So actually the quality of video is this one is better because I was teaching online. I was recording the video on my own. So this one was in class, in person. There might be some interaction. So similarly, I'm teaching in person this semester. All the video will be showing up in here. So you can either come here to check the video, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel or the YouTube playlist to follow weekly. So we're gonna have three videos per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we're going to cover all the contents in the schedule that we happening. We also have 10 lab assignments. So all the lab assignment will be posted here. You're welcome to follow the lab assignment and then do it on your own. So this is pretty much flexible, and everyone going to work on your unique Python packages. So there's no right or wrong answer. Up to you how you want to do it. So come back here to check the lab assignment if you're interested in. And there are some other additional resources. You can also check out the books that I wrote. So there's the put here, here, but it's in the syllabus, or you can go to the Gmap website. So if you want to learn more about Google Sending or open source geospatial visualization. You can check out some of my packages that I created. So this is a book that I wrote about Google Staging and also leaf map, and there are a lot more packages. So you can also check out the Open Geospatial Solutions GitHub repository. You see all these packages are the one that I created and also I'm maintaining, and we add more in the future. But these are basically all the things that I use daily, and this course is teaching you how to develop something like that, and then you can host on GitHub. You can make it accessible other people, and also try to help yourself, because it's more structured, more organized, and it's more reproducible and easily accessible. And lastly, this is my contact information. Of course, if you have any questions, you are welcome to. I will create a GitHub repository for this course later. And if you have any questions, you can also ask questions on GitHub or on a specific repository if you're interested in any of those. Okay, so this is more like a very brief intro video. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're interested in learning how to develop open source packages for geospatial analysis and visualization, you can follow this course. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.